Hi guys, Jeremy here, and today I'm going to share some practical tips on how to avoid getting banned when sending bulk SMS campaigns through GoHighLevel. But before we dive into the details, there's something special that I want to share with you. Normally, if you go through GoHighLevel's website, you're going to get a 14-day free trial. However, if you use my link in the description, you're going to receive a 30-day free trial. And on top of that, as a big thank you, I'm also giving you access to my full course, GoHighLevel Jumpstart, which walks you through setting up and launching your business within those first 30 days. Now, GoHighLevel offers many features and it's pretty easy to get lost. So in my course, I highlight the most important aspects to focus on, helping you start making money using GoHighLevel in those initial 30 days. Additionally, you're going to receive my top-notch high-quality templates for free, including the Business Hub template for managing your business and the Finance Hub for tracking your finances, among others. Now, those are worth over $900, but you're going to get all of that for free as a thank you for using my affiliate link in the description. Just click the first link to find all the details about these offers and how to claim them. It's just my way of saying thank you for supporting the channel. Now let's dive in. First off, it's important to know that GoHighLevel does have rules to keep things safe for you and your audience. Now, these rules aren't there to stop you. They're there to help your messages land well and make sure you don't break any telecom laws. One key way to follow the rules is to include opt-out options in your messages. Now, when you send the first SMS to a new contact, add a clear note letting them know that they can reply with stop if they don't want to get more messages. Now, this small step makes a big difference in protecting your account because it shows you're giving people control over what they receive. Another thing to think about is adding your sender information. Make sure to include your business name or something familiar in your first text. This lets people know who's reaching out, which builds trust. It also shows you're being upfront about your identity. Now, if people see a random number with no context, they might assume it's spam and block you. Over time, this can hurt your reputation, but adding your brand details in every message can reduce that risk and even boost engagement. Next up, let's talk about daily message limits. By default, GoHighLevel sets a limit to how many texts you can send in 24 hours. It usually starts with about 100 messages per day. Now, while this might feel pretty limiting, it's actually there to protect your phone number and the platform from being flagged as spam. If you need to send more, you'll have to follow a step-by-step ramp-up process. Now, this means sending the allowed number of messages on day one, waiting 24 hours, and then letting GoHighLevel automatically increase your limit. Now, this process repeats until you reach a higher daily limit that fits your marketing goals. For instance, if you start with 100 messages on the first day, you can move up to 250 messages on the second day, then 500, and keep increasing as long as you follow the platform's rules and stay within your limit. Furthermore, it's important to think about what you include in every text message. Links can be helpful for sharing a page or an offer, but using random shortened URLs might look suspicious. Some people could think these links are spam, especially if they don't recognize the website name. If you need to add a link, try using a branded shortener or a full URL that shows exactly where it goes. Now, this simple change makes your messages look more trustworthy and less likely to be marked as junk. It's also a good idea to avoid overly promotional or generic copy in your text. People like getting texts that feel relevant and personal, something that actually connects to their interests or needs. For example, if you have a special deal for dog grooming services, make sure that you're sending it to people who own pets and might need your help. The more targeted and personalized your messages are, the better they will perform. Now, on top of that, make sure your phone numbers can receive text messages. Sending texts to landlines or wrong numbers isn't good. It can hurt your message delivery and it might even flag your account with GoHighLevel's compliance team. If you're using a toll-free number or an A2P 10 DLC setup, it's important to make sure that your brand and campaigns are properly registered. Now, this means sharing some details about your business, what you plan to use the setup for, and the types of messages that you'll be sending. Additionally, using a double opt-in can make your compliance even stronger. This means that when someone signs up, they get a confirmation request by text. They need to reply or click a link to confirm they're really interested. Now, once they do, they're officially added to the system. While this might slightly lower the number of people in your database, it's worth it. The people who stay are genuinely interested and more likely likely to engage with your messages. Plus, they're less likely to complain about spam. Conversely, it's important to watch out for anything that could be seen as illegal or spammy. Now, this includes things like unproven health claims or misleading offers. Even if your intentions are good, stepping into risky areas could put your account in trouble or even cause legal issues. If you're unsure about the rules, it's a good idea to check legal guidelines or reach out to GoHighLevel support. It's always better to double check than to have your number flagged or banned. All right, so that's it for this video. Now, these were some of the core strategies that you can implement to avoid getting banned when sending bulk SMS in GoHighLevel. If you want to try GoHighLevel, click the link in the description, and if you use my affiliate link, you're going to get a 30-day free trial instead of the usual 14 days. Plus, you're going to gain free access to my GoHighLevel Jumpstart course, where I'm going to walk you through everything that you need to know to set up and launch your business successfully within those first 30 days. And on top of that, you're going to receive over $900 worth of premium Notion templates, all for free. Just click the link below to get started and to claim your bonuses. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos just like this one. Your support means the world to me, and it helps me create even more valuable content for you. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.